This is Mark at Independent Motorsports. Got a nice trike here for you. It's a 2003 Suzuki Intruder Volusia. It's got 37,000 miles on it. It's in very good shape. It's got a Lehman trike kit on it, and the Lehman kits are some of the nicest conversion kits that we found. The bike has gone through a 45-point inspection. It's passed with flying colors. We've changed the oil. Everything looked good on it. It's got nice chrome rims on it, spoked rims. No rust on them at all, as you see on a lot of the older trikes. The kit is the Romani by Lehman. And it's got a nice luggage rack, big luggage rack, comfortable seating position. Rides really good, even though it's a solid axle, it still rides nice. And this trike is under 10 grand. Stop by and see us at 3930 South High Street in Columbus. Ride safe and ride independent.